Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're ready. Open the document and save a backup copy now. Once done, turn on non-printing characters so you can see paragraph marks, spaces, and manual page breaks. This reveals hidden content that creates pages. Next, open the navigation pane to jump directly to the page you want to remove. You want to identify whether the page is empty, contains only breaks, or has stubborn content. Make these checks first so the next steps remove the page safely without disturbing layout elsewhere. Now remove the elements that create the unwanted page. You can click just before a manual page break and press delete, or select a section break and remove it. That often collapses the page. If empty paragraphs remain, select the paragraph marks and delete or set them to 1 pt font. This preserves spacing without leaving a blank page. Also inspect headers and footers. Sometimes content there forces an extra page. Make sure to recheck the navigation pane so you confirm the page disappeared as expected. Finish by verifying the removal in Print Preview and the navigation pane. Save the document once it looks correct. If a blank page persists, examine section breaks and the page setup margins. Sometimes a section set to start on a new page forces an extra sheet. If removal breaks layout, undo immediately and remove content more gradually. Delete one element at a time and recheck. A key troubleshooting tip: if you can't select the offending object, switch to Draft View and Remove section, breaks there to resolve stubborn pages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.